You can use heart rate from your Garmin watch on a gym treadmill or stationary bicycle. To do this on your Garmin watch, find your heart rate and tap on it. Then, on the heart rate screen, press the action button on the right upper part of the watch. It shows a menu where you can select the Broadcast HR option. On the treadmill, tap the Bluetooth button. Then tap on the scan button. It then shows your watch in the list of available HR sensors. Tap on the watch option. Next, you should see the name of your watch in the list of connected sensors. Your watch should also show that it broadcasts your heart rate. Then, you can start working out and enjoy your heart rate without touching the treadmill sensors.